Welcome to the fascinating journey of how fresh sweet corn is transformed into delicious corn milk. Our story begins in the vast, fertile agricultural fields, where nature's bounty ripens under the sun. Every single stalk of corn is nurtured carefully to ensure the highest quality of sweet kernels. The morning dew glistens on the vibrant green husks, signaling that harvest time has finally arrived. Endless rows of golden corn stretch across the horizon, ready for the modern harvesting process to begin. The delicate corn silk shimmers in the warm sunlight, indicating perfect ripeness and rich natural sweetness. A gentle breeze sweeps through the fields, carrying the fresh aroma of ripe, healthy, sweet corn. As the sun rises, the farm prepares for a day of efficient and highly coordinated harvesting. Each ear of corn is packed with plump, juicy yellow kernels that hold the perfect flavor. This fertile land provides the ideal foundation for producing the finest ingredients for our premium milk. Advanced harvesting machinery is deployed to gather the crop at the peak of its freshness. Its rotating blades work efficiently, ensuring that no valuable corn cobs are left behind. Inside the machine, the cobs are separated from the stalks using advanced sorting technology. The harvested cobs are then transferred directly into large transport containers in the field. A continuous stream of fresh corn fills the bin, showcasing a successful harvest season. Dust rises as the powerful machine clears the field, leaving behind perfectly harvested rows. Skilled operators guide the machinery, ensuring safety and precision throughout the entire harvesting process. The seamless transfer of corn ensures that the processing timeline is kept strictly on track. The landscape transforms as the harvest progresses, preparing the ground for the next cycle. Thousands of cobs are collected every hour, ready for immediate transport to the factory. With the field successfully harvested, the focus shifts to the next critical stage: transportation. A fleet of modern transport trucks arrives to carry the fresh harvest to the plant. The loading process is fast and efficient, minimizing the time the corn spends in the sun. The trailer is fully loaded, containing tons of premium sweet corn destined for processing. The journey begins as the truck heads toward our state-of-the-art processing facility. Speed is essential to preserve the natural sugars and freshness of the sweet corn. Our logistics network ensures that the corn arrives at the factory within hours of harvest. Every mile traveled brings us closer to creating the perfect bottle of corn milk. The driver maneuvers the vehicle carefully into the designated unloading bay. Once secured, the unloading process begins without delay to maintain the cold chain. The trailer doors open, revealing a mountain of fresh, green-husked sweet corn. The vibrant green color of the husks indicates that the corn is in prime condition. The hydraulic lift tilts the trailer, allowing the corn to slide out smoothly. Tons of corn flow onto the receiving conveyor, starting their journey through the plant. The receiving hopper directs the corn cobs onto the main processing line. The conveyor belt carries the corn into the main hall, where processing begins. Each cob is positioned carefully to prepare for the automated husking stage. The corn is elevated to the pre-wash station to remove field dust and soil. High-pressure water sprays thoroughly clean the exterior of the green husks. This initial wash ensures that only clean cobs enter the husking machinery. An automated alignment system organizes the cobs into single-file lanes. Sensors detect and reject any undersized or damaged cobs automatically.
The approved cobs proceed smoothly, ready for the husking process.
The factory layout is designed for optimal flow and maximum hygiene.
Dividing the flow allows us to process large volumes without bottlenecks.
The cobs enter the husking section, where advanced technology takes over. Operators monitor the system continuously to ensure optimal processing speeds. The automated husking machine gently grips each cob to begin stripping. Specially designed rubber rollers pull the husks away without damaging kernels. In an instant, the green outer layer is completely removed.
A bright yellow cob emerges, clean and ready for inspection.
The discarded husks are collected and recycled for agricultural use. The high-speed rollers operate continuously, maintaining a rapid production pace. Parallel processing lanes ensure maximum throughput during peak harvest season.
Manual inspection follows to ensure that every cob is perfectly husked.
Our trained inspectors examine each cob for any remaining husks. Any remaining pieces of husk are carefully removed by hand. Only pristine cobs are allowed to proceed to the next stage.
The cobs now move toward the specialized desilking station.
Automated brushes gently sweep the cobs to remove loose silk fibers.
Rotating rollers with fine teeth catch and pull away the silk.
Our technical team ensures that the machinery operates at peak performance. Precise adjustments are made to match the size of the cobs. Removing all silk is crucial for a smooth final texture.
The clean cobs shine under the bright factory lights.
Our quality control team takes pride in their meticulous work.
Every single strand is removed to guarantee product purity.
The cobs are now completely free of husks and silk. An optical sorting system verifies the color and quality of each cob. The cobs proceed to the final washing stage before cutting. The cobs rotate as they are sprayed, ensuring all sides are clean. Air knives blow away excess water to prepare for cutting. The cobs are now ready to have their kernels removed.
The automated cutter precisely shears the kernels from the cob. A golden shower of sweet kernels falls onto the conveyor below.
The empty cobs are separated and sent for animal feed. High-speed blades ensure a clean cut, preserving kernel integrity.
Tons of fresh kernels are collected, ready for the next stage. The kernels are flummed in water to wash away starch.
The clean kernels are now transported to the grinding station.
Our production team monitors the flow to ensure consistency. Quality checks are performed at every step of the process.
The kernels enter the grinding mill to be finely crushed. The mill crushes the kernels, releasing their sweet, milky juice.
The mixture transforms into a rich, creamy sweet corn slurry.
Our operators monitor the temperature to ensure optimal blending. Precise control is maintained over every batch of corn milk. The slurry is then transferred to the heating vessel for cooking. Cooking the slurry releases the full flavor and aroma of the corn. The gentle heat cooks the cornstarch, thickening the mixture naturally. Continuous stirring ensures even heat distribution and prevents burning. Centrifugal force separates the smooth milk from the fibrous pulp. This step is crucial for achieving a silky smooth mouthfeel.
The separated pulp is collected and sent to local farms.
The pure, smooth corn milk flows into the storage vat. The milk is now completely free of any fibrous texture. Next, the milk is pumped into the pasteurization unit.
The milk is heated to the exact temperature required for safety.
It is held at this temperature for the precise time needed. The milk is then rapidly cooled to preserve its fresh flavor.
Rapid cooling locks in the natural sweetness and vibrant color.
The finished corn milk is stored in sterile tanks before bottling.
A final quality check ensures the milk is perfect in every way. Sterile glass bottles are prepared on the automated packaging line.
Each bottle is sterilized with steam to ensure absolute hygiene. The clean bottles enter the high-speed rotary filling machine.
The filling level is controlled electronically to prevent any waste. The filled bottles proceed immediately to the capping station. Sterile metal caps are fed into the automated capping head. The machine applies and seals the caps with precise torque.
A quick water rinse cleans the exterior of the sealed bottles. We ensure that every single bottle is perfectly sealed and safe. The dry bottles now enter the high-speed labeling machine.
The machine applies our signature labels with pinpoint accuracy.
The brand label represents our commitment to quality and freshness.
The finished bottles are packed into protective cardboard boxes.
Each box is sealed and labeled for shipment to stores.
A robotic palletizer stacks the boxes, preparing them for transport. The pallets are moved to our cold storage warehouse, ready for delivery.
From our fields to your table, enjoy the pure taste of sweet corn milk.